Well, welcome again to Alpha Audio. Where am I? I'm here. We're still in the innovative in the newcomers booth, and now we have two great guys, well, from Turin, Italy, North Italy, and there's someone walking in front of the camera. There's always people walking in front of the camera, and these people founded their company just 4 months ago, and well, they're gonna tell us what they founded. Here's the CEO marketing, and here's the CEO R&D. So,
first of all, thank you very much for inviting us to this interview. Actually, we started 1 year ago officially, but we started the project about 2 years ago. We decided to get into this world because we want to be different, just not on the performance, but as well on the design, on the customization, because now the people want to focus on the emotion, want to change the cover as we have, the color, the materials, and so we come up with the idea. This is, for example, this is what we have at the trade show. We have a step-up transformator, we have different colors. You can customize these with the colors, but we have the other amplifier that you can customize with the materials, and you can put it vertically or horizontally with a stand-up. That means another way to see, to see this world. And we have as well an app that allows you to control on remote the audio, the sound, and to control everything. Yes.
And why did you choose a step-up transformer as your first product? Because that's not a very, let's say, a fast-moving consumer good.
Yeah, we are vinyl lovers, that's why. So basically that's only an example, just an example to show how the chassis is made, and that was very easy to bring here the step-up transformer, which is the face product. But we'll also have the phono preamplifier, the lamp preamplifier, the digital to analog converter, and finally also speaker and the power amplifier. So it is just an example to show what we can do, what are the colors, what are the combinations, what are the technology inside, and what is also the mechanism to personalize our cubes. We call this line big cubes, which is, because of the shape. Which is
big cubes?
Yeah, big cubes. The shape is very simple. It is just a cube made of aluminum, and but we can personalize with colors. And the front panel is made of a sandwich of one material. This is aluminum, and the back plate is in iron. So we can actually use magnets on the interior chassis to replace the front panel as we like. On the big amplifier that we are developing, we will use different materials: wood, stone, glass, ceramic. Different painting, carbon fiber, almost everything, because as Angelo was saying, we try to find a sweet spot in your domestic environment. So if people like yellow, we can offer yellow. If people like wood, we can offer wood. If people like the carbon look, we can even offer the carbon look. The technology inside is very complex, so I'm not going into the details, but the shape is very simple, and the idea is to be closer to the consumer, to their tasks and to their, again, home. Because
you could hold the microphone.
I can.
Very amazed by
what? Oh yes, that's
short. Only the design part. Of
that's the PCB for the transformers. So it is made of a thick layer, and it's black, as you see, and so basically how we build this. So we produce our PCB, we install the PCB into the chassis, the inner chassis, and we slide the chassis inside the external frame, and then we mount the knobs.
Oh, it's very modular.
Yeah, it is very, very, very easy, very simple, because we only use 4 screws to have everything together. But it is very heavy. As you see, it is kind of 4 kilos.
Yeah, this is an empty, amazing.
Again, components are very high quality, because we are, again, the shape is simple, but the technology is complex. So the quality of the components is critical for the sound quality. So we're trying to bring a sound quality We're trying to bring colors. We're trying to bring design, which is a modern look. And we're also trying to bring customization to the customers. So we're trying to find a mix of all those characteristics, which is kind of unusual for the high-end world, because we are used to thick aluminum plate, big chassis, no colors. Well, we see somehow colors now. So we are following that path, trying to follow the customers and offer him what he likes. So I hope people will like colors. But
in terms of price, because high-end is also sometimes high price, what is your first prototype price?
These big cubes will be offered directly from our website. So basically, we will. In a couple of months, we are finishing with the chassis. So you can order from our website. We will ship these cubes to you, the step-up transformer or the phono preamplifier or the digital to analog converter. You try it. If you like it, you keep it. If you don't like it, you ship back to our company. We clearly will refund you. And so this is a way to give the customer a guarantee. So if he likes it, he keeps it, because we are not known. We are just a newborn company, so nobody knows us. So there is a way for the customer to really touch the quality, feel the sounds, understand how it is made, use it, and I'm sure they will like it, because we have been testing these products for 1 year now in our labs and in our hometown in Turin. So that's the policy we are following. The big amplifier, the smart amplifier, which is not here today, will be offered in a small batch on Kickstarter. But that just to give us more visibility. We are not planning to sell those cubes on Kickstarter. They will be offered on our website directly.
In daily life, you are not only doing this, but also other things. What's your line of work in Torino normally?
Well, actually, as I said to you, I'm professor at university as well, but we spend about, personally I spend 4 or 5 hours a day in the company, because I take care of all the marketing, sales, the politics, the contract. For example, eventually find a new partner, new distributors in the world. Make the translation of the web page and other things. And for now, I focus half day for the company, half day for other activities. And we hope that this task will be more and more for me.
As a professor of marketing, what are your aspirations, or what are your goals for, let's say, Italian products to make it, a broad story?
We would like to be recognized as a great company for the performance. That means the content, that the company has good components, but as well for design. That means to be different from the others, because we are used to see the audiophile world a little bit with a style, a design, a shape, very traditional. And we said we have to be different from the others. We have to customize with the color, materials, with the shape, because this is a cube. I don't see, if you walk around you can see, I don't think so. And we want to get as well the younger generation, because there is a decline in this world as well. And we said maybe it's because not just of the shape, but because the younger generation want the customization, want something more easy to be used and easy to be integrated in the apartment. Yes, this is our goal, and of course what we are trying to develop at the same time is the digitalization. That means an app that you do control, as I said before, because as I think I'm still young, I'm
almost young.
Almost. I want to use everything with my phone. Yes.
Normally you are in space, aren't you?
Yeah, unfortunately I'm an engineer, but also have an aerospace engineer, and also have an MBA, and I work as a sales director in a big aerospace company. But that is my day job. During the night I design those pieces of equipment. So Yeah, it started like an hobby many years ago because I'm in love with music. I love to listen to music, and I could not find any, any amplifier on the market that was exactly as I was looking for. So that's when I start designing my own amplifier. I mainly use tubes, even ancient tubes. I've been using AMAC tubes, which are radar tubes from the 30s, which are this big. So I'm used to that old technology, but we're bringing new technology on these cubes, as Angelo was saying, because there will be an iPhone app to control the cubes. So yes, I'm an engineer, unfortunately, but and I work in a very different sector.
We need engineers, otherwise we know we cannot make stuff like this.
Yes, we need engineers. Yes, we need it. And but yes, again, my day job is very, very different, to be honest. But
we're very happy to try it one time, so we will. Ciao from Italy, Torino.